All right, this is MC Grammar. Please, this morning, I have a message for Mr. President. I call this message from MC Grammar to Mr. President. This morning, I'm here to give a message. Enough of talking. All of us talks, crucify the president. But this time around, I think it's high time we give a message to him. Please, Mr. President, I want you to know that people are suffering in this country. People are passing through a lot. Please, in case you are not feeling it, we are feeling it. But I'm just trying to give the message to you to see what you can do so that you adjust things and make things work in this country for the common man. So that you make things work so that common men will always praise your name. Mr. President, I want to use opportunity as well to tell you that Nigerians are suffering. Just try to look into our problem. The economic hardship is too much. I want you to do something about it. This time, I'm not here to crucify you. I'm not here to call you names. I'm not here to give you so many bad names. I'm here to just give an advice to you so that you can put this country, repair this country in a very good state, shape of mind. And that's why I say, please, help us to put Nigeria into a country whereby all of us will rejoice. Today, I tell you something. Look at what is happening in Nigeria. Do you know that guys no longer those girls? Girls no longer fascinate guys because you don't have the money. That's the truth. I remember the other day, one of my girlfriends called me. On a good day, I was having money. I was supposed to go and see him, but I declined it. Why? No money. So am I going to look at his face? That is it. So please, Mr. President, you need to do something about it. And that is why I said, always try to do something about it because Nigerians are not happy. Mr. President, now talk about refineries. I want you to fix it. Enough importing fuel. It's too bad. We just go and refine our crude oil outside. It's too bad of a country. It's too bad of a nation. Let's all start refining our products. Let us put our refineries into good shape. Let us start refining our product so that we can get things at a cheaper rate. But President, you already knows it. Not that I don't know this, but please, I'm just appealing to you for you to do something because Nigerians are suffering. Of course, if there is anybody that knows the president, you should convey this message to him. My name is MC Grammar, the man that fears nobody, the fearless man, the man that speaks his mind all the time, the man that speaks the truth. And of course, my friends call me the Babalawo of communication. Until next time when I come your way, I remain yours and only, MC Grammar. Like Jackie Chan always say, in a view of his movie, yeah, that is me.